Ever wondered how to maximize your crypto trading potential while minimizing the time and effort you put into it? Welcome to the world of trading bots, the automated assistants that are revolutionizing the way we trade. This is your step-by-step guide to using a trading bot, so buckle up and get ready to dive deep into the world of crypto trading. Step 1. Choose your bot. There are many bots available, each with its unique features and advantages. You might want to consider factors such as user-friendliness, customizability, and of course, performance. Step 2. Set up your bot. Once you've chosen your bot, you'll need to set it up. This usually involves linking the bot to your trading platform using an API key. Remember, never share your API keys with anyone. They're like the keys to your crypto kingdom. Step 3. Configure your bot. This is where the magic happens. You'll need to configure your bot's trading parameters, such as which coins to trade, how much to trade, and when to trade. This step requires a good understanding of the crypto market, so it's worth doing your homework. Step 4. Test your bot. Before you let your bot loose on the live market, it's a good idea to test it in a safe environment. Many bots offer a paper trading feature, which lets you test your bot's performance without risking real money. Step 5. Monitor your bot. Once your bot is up and running, you'll need to keep an eye on it. Make sure it's performing as expected and adjust your settings if necessary. Remember, the crypto market is volatile, and even the best bots can't predict the future. Step 6. Learn and adapt. The world of crypto trading is always changing, so it's important to keep learning and adapting. Keep up to date with the latest news and trends, and don't be afraid to tweak your bot settings to keep up with the market. Now that you're armed with the knowledge and tools to take on the crypto market, why not join the Ton Trading Bot community? It's a vibrant and supportive community of traders and crypto enthusiasts, all exploring the exciting world of automated trading together. You'll find expert insights, tutorials, and discussions on everything related to crypto and trading bots. By subscribing, you're not just joining a community, you're joining a movement, a revolution in the way we trade. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe now and unlock the potential of crypto trading. See you in the Ton Trading Bot community.